Hello everyone, this is the instruction that will help you to fix the problem from section 1.1 to 1.3. This is the quiz similar problem, so you will see similar question on the quiz, and this video is basically talk to you like how to solve the problem for question 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is number 1 question from section 1.1 to 1.3. The question is, which of the following give an equation for the line through this coordinate and parallel to the line y equal -2x plus 1. So for this question, we are going to focus on the slope. So the slope given here is -2, and then it's asking parallel to the line. So what parallel means, the slope, so the new equation you're looking for had the same slope of -2. So what you need to do in this question is pretty simple. So you just plug 3 into the x, and then so the new equation will be x plus b. You need to find the number of b. In order to do that, you will need to plug 3 into x. So -2, so it's -6 right here. Plus b will give you -1, so b will equal 5. So if you look at the answer choices, parallel to this line will only leave you to C, D, and E answer choice. And then plus 5 will only give you C. This is number 2, and it gives you two functions right here. The first one is f of x, and the second one is g of x, and which one will give you the answer. So this notation means f of g of x, and what you need to do is plug into 2 into g of x first and solve the number and put the number into f of x. So what I'm doing here is first state the 2 function right here, and then you will need to plug 2 into g of x first. So g of x is 2x minus 1, so you put 2, so 2 times 2 minus 1 will be 3. And that is what you're going to plug into the next function. So f of x is x squared minus plus 1. So what you need to do is this number 3 will give you the value of x, so you plug into the equation. So you will have 3 squared plus 1 and equal to 10. And 10 will give you the answer, so it is D. This is number 3, and they have a similar example explained in page 24 in the textbook. So the question is, the half-life of a certain radioactive substances is 8 hours. There are 5 grams per cent initially. Which of the following gives the best approximation where there will be 1 gram remaining? So for this, you will start using 5 grams and multiply a half to get to 5/2. Why would you do that? Because the question set is half-life, so that's half-life, that's why you need to multiply 1/2 here. And then when you double the hour, you will need to multiply again, because that will give you the number after 16 hours. Oh, this is actually 16. So this is just give you the like how the function will work. So you're multiply another 1/2 in order to like double the hour. So you will need to set up 2 equations in order to solve this problem. The first equation will be here. So this is what you're doing here, and this is after 8 hours. So t will be the time, and this is 5 to 1/2, and this is the t over 8 power. So this is the model equation that can help you solve the problem. And the question is asking where there will be 1 gram remaining. So the second equation you set up just simply said it has 1 gram remaining in here. So to solve this problem, what I would do is to type it in the calculator. So you will see this is the first function and this is the second function, and you will graph it. I already graphed it. But you will need to find the intersection for these 2 functions, and it will give you approximate number of 18.57. So that will be equal, like approximately equal to 19 hours. And that is the answer. So you will choose answer choice E. For number 4, the f of x is e to the negative x power minus 2. So this is a graph show basically how it works. So e to the negative power, so like e to the x power actually goes like this, it's positive, but since it's to the negative power, so it flipped on the x-axis, and then minus 2 moves the function down to 2. So like actually y equal to negative 2 is going to be the horizontal asymptote for the function. So to find the domain, you will see the function goes on to negative and also to positive, so like it goes on forever. So like you can put negative, infinity, and infinity for the domain. So for the range, because it has the asymptote in y equal to negative 2, so you will basically put negative 2 for here, and then it goes on positive like forever. So this is the infinity. So how to find 0? So to find 0, you will set the equation equal to 0, and then you will see, so you move the 2 to the right side, and then maybe some of you will be confused why we are, instead of writing e to the negative x power and we change to ln. So logarithm describe the x exponent, and then ln is use logarithm base e. So the use of ln here is actually replace the e. So this is natural log. So for here, you will move the 2 here. So you will get ln of 2 equal to negative x. So this is the power. And then you will have, because see, this only have a negative side in here. So move the negative side to ln of 2. So you will get x equal to ln of 2 when the function equal to 0.